Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to do a first impressions taste test of these Firework Oreos with popping candy. Says it's a limited edition. So I got the kids here and Marvella, and we're going to do this. See how they like it.
Oreo fireworks. Popping candy.
This is Jameer. I don't think y'all ever met him. That is Marvella's son. Y'all know Blah and Jasmine and Sai. This is Tatiana. Just welcome to our world, honey. She's a girlfriend. So.
I thought she was giving everybody a cookie.
Everybody getting one.
Listen, y'all don't know about
Bubs is here. Hi, Dallas. Dallas.
I'm talking to
Hi, say hi. They watching Mickey.
So, they appear to be double stuffed.
You can't eat it yet.
140 calories, and I'm going to give y'all the first impression.
No, you
Really?
can't eat
Everybody gotta do it together. They just moved into their new apartment yesterday. So we're gonna have a moving video coming for y'all.
It tastes kind of like the original Oreo, but as you chew it, you do get that pop.
Can you feel it popping in your
You
mouth?
feel it popping.
I don't like things popping in my mouth, friend.
What it smell like? Let me have one.
Oreo critique. You can have your own
Oh,
critique.
you gonna give it to the baby?
Yeah, you already got it on.
I didn't feel nothing pop. Oh, there you go. I don't feel nothing.
I feel it.
Like, get some of that icing.
You can feel it?
Yeah.
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 Press your tongue down.
Oh, yeah.
Did y'all want any of these waters in the fridge?
See this?
Yeah.
Let me open it. Or does it pop like the actual candy?
Yeah, if you press, like I said, get the cream on your tongue and press your tongue down.
But it's not as, cause you know though.
It's not real poppy. You see that? It got red and blue pieces in there.
It's a little too late for 4th of July.
I guess that's why it's limited time. We still in the month of July. We got one more day. 2 days.
Happy birthday,
You know it's
friend.
31
Thank you,
days
friend.
in July. It's only the 29th.
That's why I said 2 more days. I
You
fixed
said
it.
one.
Look, so I like it. You like it? Look at him. He like, yeah. He's like, I don't feel nothing popping.
You like that icing?
Looking all hard on it. You like it?
Some alcohol in here?
Am I going to?
Yeah.
Since they not giving me no real answers,
It is. It's popping in
I'm
my
gonna
mouth.
taste it.
He's lying.
Smells just like regular Oreo.
But like I said, go like this.
It's like a regular Oreo.
Go like that with your tongue. Press down.
Well, I can feel it. Can y'all hear it? I'm trying to give y'all sound effects. Yeah. Ew.
It's still popping.
Yeah.
Go back there.
It is. I can feel it popping right here.
Go back there.
It is.
Friend.
Ew, that's freaky.
Oh!
Hold on. Who is it?
Oh, you want me to ask them to give y'all a peek?
Mm. They're really popping too. I can feel it.
They got people next door.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
House still popping.
When you're not chewing, that's when you feel it pop. See, her mouth is still popping.
Okay.
Here, you gotta come in and try it.
Oh, KK's here. We're gonna make her try too.
Did she just wake up and dip?
Hey, Stink. She said eat it.
I'm about to check that one right
All right, KK.
It's thingies in the door in that first.
Tell me
door.
if you feel it
now.
popping.
She's still not ready.
What's the door?
And give me your first impression. What's that?
Then she gonna be like, you didn't see girl trip yet?
I had one pop.
No.
Me and Hanifa going Tuesday. You going?
They're gonna be like,
You gonna pay for this?
Have you tasted
wait a
it?
minute, whoa.
I hate y'all.
This is nasty. Edit me out.
It's nasty. You don't like it? I can't edit you out. It's okay. It's first impression. Honest opinion. She doesn't like it.
Eat it.
Oh my gosh. Sorry.
Corey, did you eat it?
No. Don't
No.
try.
Well, we got Kara's approval of the trash. That is. All right. Final decision.
It's disgusting.
Discussion. Jameer, give me your opinion.
Nay.
Alright.
Yay.
Nay.
Tatiana,
It's okay.
you like it, Blah?
I mean, it tastes like an Oreo with a little pop to it.
They don't know the difference.
He's looking at the pack.
Okay, so
He'd be like, hi, Goofy.
all in all, I guess it was tolerable. Wasn't bad, wasn't the greatest.
No, wait.
The little pops was weird, like they went back here, but it's doable. Not something I would buy again, but it was okay. So, go out and try them. It said limited edition, so probably won't be around for too long. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. We'll talk to you next time. Say bye.